What's going on, guys? Brandon with AX here. Today we're going to talk about high rep squats for mass. It's not really a new concept, but at the same time it's a great concept. A lot of people tend to have their own preferences as far as squat workouts or leg workouts go. Usually the approach is hit them hard, heavy, and fast. With this approach, you're still going to be hitting them fast, but we're going to be hitting them with a lot of reps. Looking at around 20 reps per set here. The key is that we're going to focus on a few different angles. The first thing is that you're going to get a huge hormone surge. I mean, you're not only going to get a nice testosterone boost or surge from including squat exercises like squats and deadlifts and things like that. Also the other thing that we're going to be triggering here is a growth hormone release, a heavy growth hormone release. It's one of the things that the body starts to trigger as the body begins to become depleted from different nutrients. That's why they recommend slightly higher reps, even supersets as far as exercises go, to be able to really trigger growth hormone release. On top of that, you're going to be triggering different muscle fibers that haven't been fired before, might not have been triggered before. I mean, chances are they might have worked here and there, but at the same time, throughout this lengthy process, you're going to be able to determine that this is a really good program for mass. As well as to be able to kind of be one of those programs where you can bounce around from your lower rep exercises and sets and programs to something like this, where it's still going to be lower in the number of sets, but we're going to really be amping up the number of reps. That way we dig deep. Each set, your body's going to be required to move past just the fast twitch fibers and really dig deep and getting those slow twitch fibers involved. That's what the program's about. We're going to be incorporating a lot of different exercises that are going to incorporate a lot of different muscle groups. We're looking at squats. One of the other things I like is one-leg leg press, especially since people tend to have imbalances in their muscles that they don't necessarily address. The key thing with the one-legged leg press, I like to work the weaker leg first. Generally, it's your non-dominant leg that you're going to be starting off with. So if you're a righty, start with your left leg first. But if you know your deficiency, then start with that first. That way you can work the muscle and not overwork your strong muscle and then underwork your weak muscle and continue off that imbalance. You're going to also do things like weighted hyperextensions. I really like when on the weighted hyperextensions, to get your body a little bit more forward on whatever piece of exercise you're using. Some of them are more of a little bit less of at an angle rather than just a flat where you're parallel to the floor. So different styles of machines tend to create differences between the exercise, but overall, weighted, a lot of reps, really triggering nice tightness. Make sure on every exercise and every rep you're squeezing. Let us know what you think, guys. This is a program that you're probably going to be hating me the next day, but it definitely works, and you're definitely going to see results.